So we need to go to the file and click on open. Then it will open this window. Everyone able to see, right?
Yes.
So after that, yesterday we are given which one? Our date will be there, right? 03. Yes, this one only, right? 03 2022. So you need to check that, click that one and click on open. Okay. Once we can open, that existing script will open. We need to open existing script means like this. We need to go to the file, click on open solution, then it will open. Could not load this script. If it is a script corrupted means it will not open sometimes. So that script maybe is corrupted, so it is not open. See, now we can observe here. Again, we can do for the parameterization. Same class, we have the parameterization of the concept of the script enhancements. So for this, again, I'm doing for the parameterization. Just right click on button, replace with parameter and create new parameter. Enter for the username. Okay. And go to the, this is the file type text, right? So that's why I select as a parameter type will be file and click on properties. And this is the, what is the parameter, the extension?
DAT5.
Dot. Okay, then click on create. Okay, then we need to select this by name as a column name like username, and we need to we can discuss this thing, okay, today. Okay, and click on okay, then no. So we need to do for the what are the values we are entering through keyword and what is the static input to the server, what are the static values we need to do for the parameterization. Password parameter and create table and click on OK, and by name we can select as a password. So we need to do for the now parameterization is completed, but for we have to the different type of we need to go to the in parameter properties means just click on shortcut will be Control L. So we'll see the password username. What are the we are done? It will show for the those password and end. So already we discussed. So here already I told, right, what are the these are the properties means sequential, random, unique. Okay, and go to the update values, each iteration, each occurrence once. We need to one by one we can discuss. First thing will be sequential, and what is unique, what is random. Sequential means anyone can have idea?
One by one, I think. In a
Sorry?
sequence order, one by one.
One by one. Yes, sequentially it will pick for the one by one. So when we are given sequential each iteration, what will happen? See, just I given sequential each iteration. So we need to simulate means how users will picking. Just I'm giving for the number of users will be 4. Okay. I think we are given 3. We are not given red data. I will give data some data. Okay. Jojo 1, Jojo 2, and Jojo 3. Control S. It is automatically saved. Then go to the password and edit with notepad. We need to enter for the bean1, bean2, B3 and control S. So we are given four data. So I'm doing sequential each iteration. Sequential each iteration means what is the first thing will be how the users will be simulate. We can observe means sequential nothing but every user has to pick the first data point. For example, I will show you in diagrammatic, then you can understand. So we have properties, parameter properties, sequential each iteration and sequential each iteration and sequential each occurrence and sequential once. These are the properties. What are the? This is the types of files. Like what is that type? Like file type, date and time, group, unit number, user ID. These are all will be types. And properties means what are the properties? Sequential each iteration, sequential once, sequential occurrence, and same to we need select as a random. Then same thing will come. Random each iteration and each occurrence and random ones. And unique property also we need to select a unique property. Same will be there. Each iteration, each occurrence once. So based on our requirement, we need to select these things. So first thing we need to discuss with one by one. First we'll go with the sequential. Okay. What is sequential each iteration? What is sequential means? It stands for every user has to pick the first data point. Each iteration means data point update has to the updated every iteration. See, for example, we'll take this one. Okay, some usernames and password. Assume. Okay, and we need to give for the one username, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, and password will be I'm giving for the A, B, and C and D. So now we are doing for the sequential each iteration. First thing will be what is sequential means? It stands for every user has to pick the first data point. What is that? Sequential means every user pick the first data point to which one? A. And second user also it will pick the A. And third user also pick the A. And fourth user also pick the A. This is the sequential. Sequential stands for every user has to pick the first data point. What are the value is there in first data point? It will pick for the first data point for the sequential. Each iteration means what will happen? Means second iteration what will happen? Data point update as the update on every iteration. Second iteration time, this is the first iteration. Okay, and going to the second iteration, same 1, 2, 3 and 4 and A, D. So this is the which iteration? Second iteration. Second iteration. See, first iteration what will happen? Sequential means every user has to pick the first data point. Means already first data point is completed, first iteration. So every user pick the first data point, like this one, it will pick the first data point. All user will pick the same data point because of that is the sequential. This is the second iteration. Third iteration, what will happen? Anyone can tell?
We choose C.
Yes, all user will pick the C. Fourth iteration, all users will pick the D. So like this, we will pick the users in sequential. So we'll see here now, sequential each iteration. See, I'm giving for the 4 iterations, and the number of iterations will be 4 iterations. Just to we can simulate here, means we need to observe. See, user 1 pick the bean, and all user pick for the iteration 1 will bean, and user next to see bean 1, user 1 pick the bean 1, and all user 2, user 3, user 4 will pick the bean 1, and bean 2 pick the first user, and second user will pick the bean. See how it is behaving. This is for the sequential each iteration. How I explain in paint, right? Same thing will be there in here. We need to check for the how the users is picking. First user pick the bean, means second user also pick the bean. When it will happen? Sequential each iteration means iteration why it is updating, it is values is updating for the bean 1, and second iteration bean 2, means values will be updating. That is called a iteration. Iteration nothing but each iteration nothing but data point update for every iteration.
But how is it applicable for real time, sir?
Sorry,
How is it applicable for real time?
yeah, real time means see, I have only one user. Users will be different users, but password will be I have only 4 passwords. So I need to use for this 4 passwords for each and every one, because of all users username password will be same. So at that time, what
Give
will
me an
happen?
example.
First user pick the first data point, all user will pick the same data point. Okay.
Can you give me an example?
Yeah, for any one of the application, for unsecured applications will be there. Secured applications we can't do for this property. See, if it is a banking application, same your password we can use for the everyone, means that is not good. So on some unsecured application will be there. That will be we can, for example, I will give for example, in flight booking or Amazon will be there. So we need to log in the application, but every time will be password will be same. So everyone will be user will be different, password will be same. So at that situation we can use for the sequential each iteration.
లైక్ ఇప్పుడు మనం జనరల్ గా ఇప్పుడు డిజ్నీ ప్లస్ హాట్స్టార్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం సార్. క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ ఒక్కరే ఉంటాయి, బట్ మల్టిపుల్ యూజర్స్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు దాన్ని.
Yeah, credentials users names ఉంటారు. So as same to we have the password also, but we don't have much passwords. So but everyone will be unique same passwords will be there. For example, user
but
one
different
will
users are different users, but one password.
Yes.
That example is applicable for this.
Yeah, any one
right?
of the application as unsecured applications, not secured application. Secured application nothing but banking application, insurance. This application it is not applicable, because for your credential I will log in with your password, means it is not good, right? That is unsecured.
Sir, JNTU online site same alana untundi sir.
Yeah, some
objective type
sites. Yeah, some type of SMT university sites. So we need to enter for the username will be different, password will be same.
Yes sir. So mana JNTU lo online site alana untundi sir, ante exam objective type bits ki.
Yes. So
Okay,
at that situation
different
we can use those type of situation, like as we need to select as a sequential each iteration, and sometimes we can now iteration and we need to select as a random each iteration. What is random means? Anyone can guess?
It picks random means
Yeah, users will pick the values randomly, means see, this time what will happen? First user will pick the same data point, but this time what will happen? One will pick the D. Maybe 2 will pick the some different value, and 3 will pick the some different value, 4 will pick the some different value. That is a unique random each iteration. Okay, we can simulate and we'll see how the values it is picking. See, I'm selected as a random each iteration, and you can click on this, and 4 users. See, user 1 pick the bean 1, and user 2 will pick the bean, and user 3 bean 2, and user 4 also bean 2. So randomly it will pick the values every time, any of the value. That is called a random property. Okay, then going to the next, unique each iteration. Unique stand for every user pick the first unused data point. What are the value we have the unused data point that will pick the for. Okay, say this is the unique each iteration, username and password. Some like 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here will be some X, Y, Z, some B value. So these are possible. So what will happen means unique stand for what is the unique means every user has to pick the first unused data point. First unused data point, first user will be which value is unused data point?
Every value is unused data.
X will be unused data point. Then it is already used X, right? So second user will be not go to the X because of that is already used data. So it will go to the unused data is a Y. And third user will go to the NZ. Fourth user will pick the B. So when we can go with every user has to pick the first unused data point with the unique each iteration. Okay, got it? And for example, we have some here F value is there. So now which value it is pick in unique each iteration. So 4 will pick the B. Okay. So which value is there in second iteration time? What will value pick in F value pick for the next? This one is the unused data for this user. This is the unique each iteration. I think unique property we can't simulate. I will check. See what will happen iteration 1, user 1 pick the bean 1 and user 2 pick the bean 1 and user 2 iteration 3 is bean 2, bean 3. Means what are the values we have the unused data point, those values only it is selecting. Okay, this is the unique each iteration. When we are select as a unique each iteration, we can get for the some when out the values it will come. This is the property enable only for the unique time. We have the 3 options: abort user, continue in a cyclic manner, continue with the last value. So we can select this one. So continue with the last value means it will stop the continue with the last value. Otherwise, we can abort the user means it will abort for the after the 4 users, the users will be abort. So we need to give the continue with the cyclic manners means it will continue with the cyclic means it will the round trip of request it will go in. So we can now we can see the one by one abort user what will happen. So every user will pick the unused data point. After that, we don't have any values. So that's why it is picked as a 0, 0, 0 because of we are given for the user 1, user 2, user 4, and we have the passwords only bean 1, bean 2, bean 3. And after that already been used. So second user we don't have any data, and third user we don't have data, fourth user we don't have data. So what will happen? So second iteration time user will pick the again bean 1 and bean 2. So if what are the unused value is there, it will pick for the 1. This is the unique each iteration about the user. So we can now select as a continuous cyclic manner. It will values will be cyclic will be running. Continue with last value means it will stop the last value. So everyone understand? So that is a unique each iteration for the all the values, unique sequential each iteration and unique each iteration and random each iteration. First thing will be sequential each iteration. What is sequential means? It stands for every user has to pick the first data point.
Pick the first data.
First data point. Iteration. Each iteration means it update the values in every iteration. That is the sequential each iteration. Sequential each iteration.
In unique, it picks out.
Sorry.
Hello.
Yes, please. Okay. Is sequential means it stands for every user pick the first data point. unique each iteration means data points will update on every iteration, means every iteration will be update for the values. So that is a sequential each iteration. Then random each iteration. Random means every user pick with the randomly any of the data point, and iteration means it will update for the every iteration. That is a random each iteration. Then going to the unique each iteration. Unique each iteration means unique stand for the every user pick the first unused data point. You can please remember. So every user has to pick the first unused data point. What is the unused data point? It will pick the that value for the unique stand. This is for the unique each iteration. Then we can go into the sequential, and we have the each occurrence. Now we can discuss with the occurrences. What is occurrences? Means values update on every occurrence. Means every occurrence time it will values will be update. Like first thing will what will happen? Sequential means what will happen? Every user pick the first data point only. Means we have 4 users. 4 users will be pick the first data point. If it is A there, so all user will pick the A only. Then after that, every user will be update for the every occurrences. Means every iteration time, A will be go to the after C, and B will go to the we have the value D C, and D will be go to the B. So like that, it will be continue with the occurrence value. And going to the random each occurrence. Random stands for already we know, right? Randomly it will pick for the any of the value. And going to for the unique stand for every user has to pick the first unused data point, and it update for the occurrence of the value next occurrence. And we are when we select as a unique, then only we will get for these properties about user, continue, and this 3. And now we can select sequential ones. Now we'll see for the sequential ones what will happen. See, sequential ones, 4 iterations. See, sequential means what will happen? Every user pick the first data point. What is first data point? We have the bean only, first data point. So every user pick the bean only. See, user 1 pick the bean, user 2 pick the bean, user 3 bean, and user 4 also bean. But second iteration, what will happen? First iteration, what user we are pick the same, it will continue for the all the iteration for the every user, like bean only. This is for the once property. Means once it is select as a bean, then it will continue for the all the iteration for the same value. That is for the sequential ones. Then going to the random ones. We'll simulate here random ones and click on simulate. So now you can observe first iteration, user 1 pick the which one? Bean 1, user 2 bean 3, user 3 bean 2, and user 4 bean 3, and all the iterations continue with the same values. See, bean 1 bean 3 bean 2 bean 3, and bean 1 bean 3 bean 2 bean 3. So means what will happen? Every we are using for the once property, that's why every time, every iteration time, same value is picking. So this is called a random ones property. Going to the next one will be unique ones. Now we can simulate and click on simulate. Then you can observe this is also of what is the unique stand for? Every user pick with the first unused data point. So what are the values we have? Means this will be 1-to-1 mapping. So user 1 pick the bean, and user 2 pick the bean 1, and user 3 pick the bean 2, and user 4 pick the bean 3. And it is continue for the all the iterations, because of we are using as a unique ones property. Okay, got it? Hello? Hello, Shekhar. Hello, able to hear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these are the will be our properties. Anyone can explain what are the properties we have?
Sequential, random, and unique.
Okay. Then
Then
each
here
iteration, each occurrence
each
once.
occurrence and once.
So each one will be different. Sequential each iteration, sequential each occurrence, sequential once, and unique each iteration, unique each occurrence, and unique once. And random each iteration, random each occurrence, random once. These are all will be properties. Don't confuse. Types will be different. These are the types, file and date and time group name, and these are will be properties. What are the parameter property means? We need to tell this sequential, unique,
Random, and unique.
Yeah, this thing, and assembly each iteration, each occurrence, and once property. So nothing, just see here only three only there. Each iteration means it is a update for the every iteration for the values. Each occurrence means every occurrence will update. Once means we can select as a once for this password. It will continue for the all the iterations same password. One-to-one mapping. Unique once means one-to-one mapping. So you guys also do same thing. You can create username and password. After that, you need to simulate here. Come to here, you need to give for the number of users is the 4 users, and number of iterations you can give for the 4 or 5, and you can click on simulate, and each and everyone you can check it. Only for unique occurrence property only it will not simulate. You cannot simulate as a parameter where update values in see each occurrence. Okay, so remaining all you can select and you can check in here simulate parameter. You can then you can understand. As same to each and everyone, please look at once material. I think material will be there for each and everyone, and diagrammatical also it will be there. I think so. So just I'm executing with the 3 iterations. We'll see how the values it is picking. Logs every time when we are executing the test, replay the script, we need to select as a parameter substitution with the extend logs. It is will be there in runtime settings in logs and extend logs. Then click on the parameter substitution and save it. And we need to give for the number of iteration means go to the run logic, and we need to give for the number of iteration. You can give for the 3 or 4, how many iterations you want, you can give that iteration, and once you can save it and go to the script. And this is the for the replay button F5. You can click on F5 also, it will replay. Just click on replay, so it will execute with the 3 times because of I given as a 3 iterations, so it will execute with the 3 times.
Cover.
See, I got error. So which error we are getting also, we definitely know. Then only that is then only we are see fail to connect to this server 127.0.01. Connection is refused. Why we are got this error? Anyone know?
We didn't start the server.
Yes, server is not connected. That's why we are getting for this error. So we need to start server for Errors also we need to rectify, then only we are good. Real time we don't have any server, okay, directly we can do it, but here just this will be developed in a load runner only, so that's why they are given as a with reference of this server, that's why we are connected. Now I am again executing. So you can observe runtime view also how it is going. See login and flight booking payment invoice, and again login and flight booking invoice, and login and flight booking payment invoice. So 3 times it is iterated. So now values, how it is taking values, we can check for the each iteration. See, this is the starting iteration 1. Okay, first iteration. So we can check for the see Jojo bin is selected. Okay, this is the first iteration, and this is the second iteration. See, ending iteration 1 and starting iteration 2. See, Jojo 1, bin 1 selected. And third iteration, Jojo 2, bin 2 is speak. So you need to check for the depends on our requirement. We need to use for our properties. Like see, if it is a recharge card will be there. If we can use once, if it can reusable.
No.
No, right? Because that will be already used, right? So because of that property, we can use as a unique property, like unique each iteration. Every user has to pick for the